Welcome to our facilitator training program for the LEGO Serious Play method in Sofia, Bulgaria in March 2019. In case you are aiming for an innovative approach on business strategy, interested in delivering custom-made workshops, exploring new market opportunities, creating effective communication between people, or becoming the change agent that makes a difference, then you must be interested to become a facilitator of the LEGO Serious Play method. LEGO Serious Play, LSP for short, is a facilitated method for creative thinking and problem solving of real issues and challenges in real time. During a workshop, participants are invited to build symbolic or metaphorical models of their insights with LEGO bricks and then present these to other participants through storytelling. The facilitator training program aims at people who already are familiar with some level of facilitation or working with groups of people. It is a perfect fit for professional consultants, coaches, trainers, educators, researchers, in-house trainers, learning and development specialists, HR professionals, and team leaders. The facilitator training program is developed and maintained by the Association of Master Trainers in the LEGO Serious Play methodology. The method is grounded on a set of well-known theories on how people learn, how organizations develop, and how to facilitate effective workshops. The popularity of the method grows, and the fact goes hand in hand with the number of publications coming from research and experience. The method is used in a wide-ranging variety of organizational, team and personal challenges, including strategy development, mergers, team development, market exploration, and other demanding organizational change and renewal processes, like design thinking, exploring business models, and coaching. A workshop using the LEGO Serious Play methodology is an intense process to enhance innovation and business performance. It indicates that a learning process through LSP creates deeper meaning of understanding of the work done.